We've basically been conditioned to believe that if you want a truly smart digital assistant, you have to pay a toll.
Yeah, and that toll is usually your personal data, just, beamed up to a server farm somewhere far away.
Exactly. But as always, we are looking at a page on the AIagentstore.ai website today, and we found something that kind of flips that script entirely.
It really does. We are looking at Atomic Chat.
Right. And our mission today is to see if we can finally cut the cord on cloud-based AI. Because, well, this is a free, open-source AI assistant that runs entirely locally on your own devices.
Which is exactly why this matters so much for you listening. I mean, it's about taking the sheer power of advanced AI completely offline.
Total privacy.
Yes, total privacy.
Yeah.
But you aren't sacrificing the capability that you actually need for complex work.
It's absolute data sovereignty, right? Like it runs on Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, completely offline.
No subscriptions, zero rate limits.
Yeah, and your data never leaves the hardware in your hands. But I do want to push back here just a little
Yeah,
bit.
go for it.
It feels a bit like having a Genius assistant locked inside a lead-lined vault. Like, if it is totally disconnected from the live web, doesn't that cripple its usefulness for actual autonomous tasks? Because usually autonomy means scouring the internet.
Well, it's a natural assumption. I mean, how can it be autonomous in a vault?
Right.
But the secret is that Atomic Chat provides this remarkably flexible execution layer for local workflows. You aren't just locking the vault.
Okay, then what are you doing?
You're bringing the smartest minds in there with you. You can easily download incredibly powerful models.
Like what kind of models?
Models like Llama, Quinn, DeepSeek, and Gemma. And you just grab them straight from Hugging Face.
Oh, and Hugging Face is basically the open source app store for AI models.
Precisely. You pick the brain you want, you download it, and run it locally.
Wait, but these are massive models. How do they actually run on a standard laptop without, completely melting the CPU? The specs mention formats like GGUF, MLX, and ONNX, but...
Yeah, and that is the how behind the magic. Those formats, like GGUF and MLX, are essentially advanced compression methods.
Okay.
They shrink those massive AI brains down to a fraction of their original size, so they optimize them so they can run efficiently on regular consumer hardware.
Oh, wow. So you really don't need a supercomputer.
Not at all. The model is compressed to fit seamlessly into your laptop's memory.
Okay, so we've got a compressed genius in the vault, but having a smart model offline is great until it, gets amnesia every time you close your laptop.
Right, the context problem.
Yeah, because if I am a researcher, I definitely do not want to re-explain my entire project context every single time I open the app.
And that's exactly where their persistent memory comes in. Think of it as installing a massive local filing cabinet inside that vault.
Okay, a filing cabinet.
Yeah, instead of starting from scratch, the tool securely saves your past interactions and your project context directly to your hard drive.
So it remembers.
Exactly. When you load up your PDF documents or unreleased code, the AI remembers exactly where you left off.
That is huge. So the persistent memory is the filing cabinet. And I see it also has local API support. I'm guessing that means you've basically given the Genius a secure internal phone line.
Yep, a secure internal line to talk directly to your other apps like your code editor.
Without ever opening the vault door.
Exactly. You're connecting your local tools securely. By keeping everything offline and local, professionals can process highly sensitive or proprietary data.
Like financials or customer metrics.
Your secret code, yeah. Without any of the security risks that are normally associated with cloud-based AI.
It's completely locked down. Which, leads to something I've been pondering.
What's that?
If all our most capable AI tools and complex workflows start living entirely offline, like running natively on our personal machines, how is that going to force massive hardware companies to radically redesign the next generation of everyday laptops and phones?
Just to keep up with these local brains, I mean, that is a massive shift. The hardware itself will absolutely have to evolve to support the vault.
A completely new era for personal computing. Well, to explore Atomic Chat and find more tools like it, be sure to visit AIagentstore.ai. Thank you for rating the podcast. We really appreciate you. Catch you next time.